How to use Outlier AI. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So Outlier AI is a data analytics platform that leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. It is used to identify anomalies, patterns, and insights within large data sets. You can find it in your browser. Simply search for Outlier AI. This is the one you'd be looking for. It is designed to help businesses extract valuable insights, detect trends, and make data driven decisions. So, to use Outlier AI for analyzing and managing reviews, visit the Outlier website and you will have to sign up for an account. Simply tap on apply now